Hey guys, so we're at the old Pedro's. This was a big part of my childhood, and unfortunately it's being torn down and demolished. Gonna do a quick walkthrough just in case there's stuff that people are interested in that I am not. A lot of cool old light fixtures as well. Probably not gonna be interested in any of those, but if somebody else is, then... So this is all lighted, by the way, but the lights are off right now. 5-blade Delta. Here's the controls. I don't know where the fan controls are. Oh. Maybe these? No? Okay, we'll come back to that. There's the Craftmade that was replaced with, you know, there's a Delta. There's one of the Envirofans. Some of these old lighting is also pretty cool. Another Envirofan. That replaced the Delta. Another 5-blade Delta. That's just a mirror. Okay, I was like, is there more? That's what I loved about this place, and that's probably why it's not sustainable anymore. If this was like a huge maze of dining rooms, and restaurants have just switched overall to a smaller model, that this kind of space is just not worth the real estate anymore. But it's too bad, because this was a very cool place when I was a kid.
Torn down.
Oh, really?
No, the building's up for sale.
I was told somebody wanted it for condos. Okay, so that was the restaurant area. This is the bar area. Here's another Envirofan. These stained glass panels are super cool. If I had a place for them, I'd love to. This was an Envirofan that became a Hampton Bay. This Casablanca. Maybe it's on a separate switch, or maybe it doesn't work, but that one's on, so I'm guessing it's dead. This was another Casablanca. Oh, some of those spotlights are cool, but I don't know if I have any. And then there was another. I showed that one. Another Envirofan back here. Interesting that the blades don't match. And then, okay, so Envirofan, there's the Casa. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can find the fan controls so I can see if they still work. What'd you say?
I'm narrating my own video.
Gotcha. See what? Yeah, I'll see. Maybe she knows, and if not, then no big deal. I'll wait for Jim. But so we're getting the fans on to see which ones work. The owner's not back yet. Those two are on. This one's on.
He said they all work. He doesn't know where the control
Gotcha.
Yeah, but it works.
Yeah, don't think it's any of those. We tried all of those.